Shaped teeth are the most telling pieces of its anatomy that indicate it had begun eating plants.
The teeth are very well adapted for eating plants rather than eating meat.
These first steps towards herbivory grew more pronounced over millions of years of evolution.
There's about a 70 million year difference between Falcarius and Therizinosaurus. If you looked at the two of them side by side, you probably wouldn't recognize that they were closely related.
Therizinosaurus's huge size and bizarre shape make it a good candidate for a full-scale rendering. But rendering is an ambiguous process. Representations of dinosaurs must include the illustrator's best guesses of coloration, skin covering, and even behavior based on the scientific evidence.
On the computer, I created this drawing of a Therizinosaurus skull so that I could try out different soft tissues. First, I created an outline of the soft tissues with the muscles and skin, and then I thought I would try a sort of bird-like headgear, which is plausible on Therizinosaurus. They were feathered dinosaurs, and their relatives did evolve into birds. I also thought I would try to put more of a lizard-like headgear. This is exactly what modern-day iguanas have on the tops of their heads.
Artistic judgment and scientific judgment may not be as far apart as we think. In both processes, what we know about these long-extinct creatures is an approximation based on analogies and assumptions until definitive evidence is dug up that furthers knowledge.
Science is this ongoing intellectual pursuit, and that's kind of the beauty of it. You keep gathering data and keep putting forth these hypotheses and keep finding new lines of evidence.
All along the way, this is a self-correcting scientific process. We find better specimens. We often have to revise what we thought about animals. But that's fine. That's the way it's supposed to be.
There is fossil evidence that suggests features of Therizinosaurus's form